I've talked before about the importance of setting up systems to streamline your marketing efforts, and today I want to talk about how you can use Asana to organize and manage your marketing systems effectively. Whether you're handling social media, YouTube, podcasting, or email marketing, Asana can be a game changer for you. I'm Samantha. I'm here to help you organize and systemize your business operations so that you can save time and mental energy and focus on what you love to do. When it comes to using Asana for social media, managing multiple platforms can be overwhelming, but Asana makes it easy by allowing you to create workflow templates. One thing I love about Asana is how easy it is to start using. It really is simple enough to start using and powerful enough to run your whole business when done right. You can set up workflows and tailor them to fit your specific needs, whether you're posting daily, weekly, or managing multiple platforms. When I first started, my social media posts were all over the place. I had different ideas scribbled on sticky notes and various apps. Eventually, I created a social media calendar in Asana, and it slowly evolved and got better and better over time. I actually stopped posting on social media recently, but when I was posting regularly, I had a super solid system set up for this, and I have set up similar systems for my clients as well. You can have each post as a task within Asana with assigned dates and responsible team members. For instance, creating Instagram content involves steps like ideation, graphic design, caption writing, and scheduling. Asana keeps all these steps organized and auto-assigns them to the right people when you template them. This way, you never miss a post and your strategy is consistent. You can also use Asana for YouTube. So creating video content involves multiple steps from scripting to filming to editing and publishing. Asana can help streamline this process with workflow templates. One of the main advantages of Asana is helping you optimize your task management. You can break down each video into small steps, ensuring that nothing is missed. This level of detail not only keeps you on track, but also saves time by making the process repeatable. I created a YouTube workflow template that I and my clients use in Asana. This template includes all 35 tasks required for each video, from brainstorming ideas to publishing and promoting. So now, instead of starting from scratch every time, I just use the template and follow the steps. It has saved me so much time and mental energy. By the way, if you want to get the most out of Asana and get your business organized and get access to these exact templates, check out Asana Essentials at samanthacasbrick.com/AE. Asana Essentials provides you with the essential foundations you need, along with the strategies to run your whole business with Asana. Okay, next is using Asana for podcasting. If you have a podcast, you know how many steps are involved in each episode, and Asana keeps everything on track for you. One thing I appreciate about Asana is how it simplifies collaboration. Each task can be assigned to a different team member, and you can add comments, attach files, and set deadlines, making the whole process seamless. This is especially useful when working on complex projects like podcast episodes, where multiple people and tasks are involved. I've set this up for clients where they use Asana to manage the workflow for each episode. The template includes tasks like outlining the episode, scheduling interviews, recording, editing, and publishing. Each task is assigned to a team member, ensuring they stay on track and maintain a consistent release schedule. You can also add guest information like headshots, bios, links, and everything so that it's all in one place. You don't have to go hunting things down in your emails when it's time to put it all together. Such a time saver. Asana's project management capabilities make it so much easier to manage podcasts. You can also use Asana when it comes to managing your email marketing. So keeping up with your email campaigns and funnels can be daunting, but Asana can help you organize this whole process. One of the standout aspects of Asana for email marketing is how it helps manage and track your campaigns. So you can create projects specifically for your email marketing efforts, breaking down each campaign into manageable tasks. So this helps ensure that every step from content creation to scheduling is accounted for. I've helped clients to use Asana to manage their email newsletters. I set up a task template for the newsletter that includes steps for drafting the content, reviewing it, adding visuals, and scheduling the email. Each task has a due date and is assigned to the appropriate team member, ensuring a smooth workflow. So one of the best features of Asana is the ability to create an overview marketing project where all of your marketing activities show up in one place. This is really helpful for seeing a high-level view of your marketing strategy where everything comes together in one visually appealing calendar. So this calendar pulls in all tasks from all your other marketing projects, your social media, your YouTube, your podcasting, and your email marketing. And this gives you a bird's eye view of all of your marketing efforts, allowing you to see what's coming up and ensure that everything is aligned. It's incredibly helpful for planning and staying on top of your marketing strategy. Okay, now check out this video next to get the details on which marketing systems to implement in your business. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week. Bye.